What's up my loves, welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're watching me for the very first time, do not forget to press the like button, subscribe, the bell icon, and you know all the jazz. Also you can check me out on my Instagram account at Rathod_Tanisha to find out a lot of reels, a lot of styling and everything. For today's video we have something really special and something really beautiful that I want to share with you guys. And one thing I'm pretty sure about, it's that we all love jewelry shopping, but this is something that we do only once in a while and it's really special to us. So we need to make sure that we get the very unique product and something that actually suits our personality and something that is worth investing in, right? Oh, by the way, if you guys did not know, you can actually shop jewelry online. Yes, you heard me right. Even I did not know about this and I wanted to get a solitaire for myself from quite a long time. And I got so happy when one of my really close friend actually, she told me ki Tanisha, you can actually buy jewelry online. She told me to buy jewelry online from Candere by Kalyan jewellers. Pehle to I was really skeptical, to be honest, ki I should buy online or I shouldn't buy online. But then I thought that if we can buy clothes online, we can buy makeup online, then why not try buying jewelry online, you know? So I finally placed an order with Candere, and let me actually show you how I actually placed the order and the whole website and how easy it was to place the order. So let's roll on to the website screen right now. When you open the website, you will see a bunch of options like earrings, chains and necklaces. I was longing for solitaires from quite a long time and this is the one that I selected for myself. I got the Geethika diamond engagement ring and the zeinab diamond pendant. You can see how easy it is to search for whatever you need. The website is very easy to understand as well. And now I just have to add this to cart and place the order just like any other shopping website. Now that I've received the product, I am super duper excited to show it to you guys. You can see how beautiful it is. Even the packaging is very beautiful and minimal at the same time. And apart from the jewelry, they have also sent me a thank you card from Candere as well as a reusable find your ring size. Apart from that, you will also receive some care tips that you can use to store your jewelry from Candere, as well as you will get a flat 1000 rupees cashback if you give a review to them online, and also all of the detail of the diamond quality. So this is how it looks like, which I've already worn. This is how the pendant looks like and this is how the ring looks like. They look impeccable, beautiful, dainty and minimal, like exactly the way I wanted. I wanted a very minimal, dainty sort of a style, and this is something that actually goes with every outfit. Trust me, like you can actually style this up with different outfits. You can style it up according to different occasions as well. By the way, if you want to see the styling of this jewelry, you can hop onto my Instagram account. I've actually shared a reel and post and everything of how I've actually styled these solitaires and beautiful pendant and everything. And also in the description box, I will leave the link for you guys so you can easily go there, look at the style number or the link for what I've exactly got, and you can get this for yourself as well. So do not forget to check that out. And I would say that it is definitely a sign that if you want to buy yourself, if you want to pamper yourself, just buy it for yourself or buy it for your family member or buy it for your friend, or even this could be a very good piece to gift it to someone, which is going to be so special. So visit candere.com and enjoy a personalized jewelry shopping experience, and let me know down below in the comment section what you actually bought and if you enjoyed it, if you liked it, which I'm sure you will do, and all of the links are given down below. So do not forget to share your pictures once you get them with me on Instagram as well, because they are so pretty. And I guess that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more such videos of some jewelry